This presentation will tell you how to get started with volunteering at our community project gardens. The community project gardens offer hands-on opportunities to share and apply the knowledge you've learned in class with the public. Hours logged as public outreach in these gardens include things like being available to the public on scheduled advertised days, answering visitor questions, teaching a class, providing garden resources, or donating produce to community food pantries. Hours you spend in a community project garden with no public interaction, like watering, tying up tomatoes, or pulling weeds, are logged as maintenance hours. Community project gardens in which hours count towards certification fall into one of two categories: demonstration gardens or partnership gardens. We can also volunteer with affiliate gardens, though the hours spent there do not count towards our EMG certification. Demonstration gardens are gardens where the organization or group owning the garden area gives us control over all the processes, such as planning, planting, tending, and harvesting in that garden. Our goal in these gardens is to demonstrate and teach research-based gardening practices to the public. Several are community gardens demonstrating how to grow food, and we donate our produce from those to local food pantries. Other demonstration gardens may focus on topics like affordable garden construction materials or ornamental plants that perform best in our area. In partnership gardens, we work together with the organization or group who owns the garden area to help them develop and implement a plan supporting their goals and needs. Examples of such partner organizations are historical sites, civic or governmental agencies, and nature centers. The coordinate you contact to volunteer in a demonstration or partnership garden will be a fellow Master Gardener of Greater Kansas City. As a reminder, you must sign the annual volunteer agreement before you volunteer in a demonstration or partnership garden. This lets MU Extension know that you're volunteering, and you will be covered by their volunteer liability insurance while you're at the garden. In affiliate gardens, you'll work as a member of the affiliate organization's volunteer program. The coordinator you'll contact to volunteer in these gardens will not be a fellow Extension Master Gardener, but a person representing the affiliate organization. The hours volunteered in affiliate gardens don't count towards EMG certification or recertification. They're in addition to our annual volunteer minimum hour requirements. If you plan to log your affiliate garden hours as EMG hours, or if you plan to identify as an EMG while volunteering for an affiliate garden, you must sign our volunteer agreement just as you would to work in our demonstration or partnership gardens. There are many Master Gardener of Greater Kansas City MU Extension approved community project gardens located throughout the Kansas City metro area. This includes Jackson, Clay, and Platte counties. The list of current community project gardens can be found on the public side or the members only side of our website, which is MGGKC.org. In either place, click on Our Projects, then click on Community Projects, and a new page will open. On that new page, you'll find the most current list of approved community project gardens. Each garden is unique in its location and purpose. Our project list changes quite frequently, and this page is revised as new community project gardens are approved and current projects are turned back over to the community. EMGs who find potential new projects in their communities can fill out the New Projects application also found on this page. Further details on the community garden projects, including who to contact to volunteer in one, are found only in the Members Only section of our website. Here's how to access that. On mggkc.org, click on the Login tab at the top of the screen. This will take you to the membership login page. Enter our shared username, which is member, not your personal email address. Then enter our shared password. Can't remember our password? Email mggkc.membership@gmail.com and someone on our friendly membership team will reply with that. You're now on the members only side of mggkc.org. In the drop box, click on Community Gardens, Demo and Partnership Gardens, or Community Projects Affiliate Gardens. A new page will open. On this page, you will find everything you need to get started volunteering in one or more of the gardens. You'll see a reminder to sign your annual volunteer agreement before volunteering. Please contact the garden coordinator before your first visit and let them know about your interests and needs. The coordinator for each garden makes an email contact list to keep volunteers updated on garden tasks and workdays, so please be sure to contact them as soon as you decide which garden you want to volunteer at. On the page for demo and partnership gardens, you will find an interactive map showing all of our current approved gardens. The yellow tabs represent the approved demonstration and partnership gardens. The green tabs represent affiliate gardens. Remember that hours worked in the affiliate gardens don't count towards our EMG certification. Click on one of the flowers and a sidebar about that garden will open. Scroll on down and you'll see a list of all the demonstration and partnership current projects. As you scroll through the list, you'll find the name of the project, where it's located, the coordinator's name and contact information, the scheduled work days, and a link to the garden's project plan. For confidentiality reasons, the names are blocked out on this presentation. Project plans include garden description, history, activities, public outreach plans, and other relevant information that volunteers need to know about that project. We hope you found this information helpful to get started with volunteering at the Community Project Gardens. We're here for you and available to help you with earning or maintaining your certification. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to the Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City, and thank you for watching.